I'm just videoing your wood chipper.
Wood chipper?
Yeah, just videoing it. I like wood chippers.
Why?
Oh, okay. Well, I'm trying to be very careful. I don't want to get pulled right in. That thing can really suck me in. I don't want that to happen. I'm going to stand right here. That way I don't get too close. I'll zoom in for you guys so you guys can watch the spinning feed wheel. The spinning feed wheel. Okay, the wood chipper just throttled down somehow. I think they're doing it just to save gas in their chipper. This gives me an opportunity to let everyone know that wood chippers and chainsaws, the ones you can hear, these machines are not toys, and I don't want no one to get hurt or killed. Do not attempt what you see here. These people are very friendly, and yeah, they're very friendly. The one guy that came up, he just noticed that I'm just videoing a wood chipper in action. Oh, there it goes. Alright, now watch this. And turn your volume down if you can, it's going to get loud. Oh wait, it's already getting loud, LOL. Ha! Look, they bought their leaf vacuum because they're probably going to vacuum up everything afterwards. Alright, now watch this. I don't want to get this lady in the shot. Oh, I'm just videoing their wood chipper. I'm just videotaping the wood chipper in action. Why not? I thought it'd be a thing I'd like to do. Just for a hobby. Oh yeah, they are. I spoke to this one gentleman. He seems really nice. Obviously, I thought I was going to get in trouble at first. But I'm trying to keep this lady off the camera. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and cut this video short because apparently the lady is talking to the tree crew and well, there you have it. Again, wood chippers and chainsaws are not toys. See you guys later.